Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer real estate assets with HomeSmart detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents related to the real estate assets you wish to transfer. This includes property titles, legal descriptions, and any existing mortgage information. Next, consult with a legal professional or a qualified real estate agent to ensure you understand the transfer process. Determine whether the transfer is a gift, sale, or inheritance, as this will affect how you proceed. If you are transferring the property as a gift, be aware of any tax implications. Contact HomeSmart and schedule a consultation with one of their real estate agents. During your consultation, discuss your intentions for the asset transfer and ask any questions you may have. HomeSmart agents are knowledgeable about local laws and regulations, so use their expertise to guide your decisions. Once you have a clear understanding of the process, complete any required paperwork for the asset transfer. This documentation can often include a deed, bill of sale, or escrow agreement, depending on your specific situation. Ensure that you include all parties involved in the transfer in any legal documents. After completing the paperwork, review it carefully to avoid any errors or omissions. Next, submit the completed documents to your local county recorder's office. Pay any necessary filing fees associated with the document submission. If applicable, notify lenders or mortgage holders about the transfer to update their records. Follow up with the county recorder's office to confirm that the transfer has been processed. You should receive a recorded copy of the deed as proof of the transfer. Keep this documentation in a safe place for your records. Finally, inform relevant parties, such as insurance companies, about the ownership change. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer real estate assets with HomeSmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.